Hello everyone! Welcome back to Filipina Simple Life in America. And today's video is it's a update on my garden. I will show you guys what's going on in the garden at this moment. And uh, as you guys know that it's so cold in here, and I didn't visit my garden for a couple of weeks because oh my god, I can't. It's so cold. So hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video to your social media, to your friends and family. Thank you so much in advance. Here, I will just like focus the camera on the plant. Uh, Here we go. So first, my broccoli, ayan. They're not ready yet. So maybe in a couple days. So as you guys can see, yeah, it's so good. This one is just started. It's not, yeah, it's just started. I plant them together, but I don't know why this one is kind of late. And also that one is not ready yet. They are all not ready. And this one is like a little buds. That one, two is a small size. This one, small size. And this one is extra small. But this one is a medium size. That one is small. And this is the medium size. And my cauliflower, I see only one is right there. It's just started. So this one is cauliflower too, but I haven't seen any. And that's my mm, bell pepper. And I also plant the kale right here. This is like 3 weeks old since I planted. So that's hopefully it will grow good. And this one I didn't see any cauliflower yet. This one too, nothing. Also here, nothing. And also over here is nothing. Only one cauliflower that I see. So my moringa, they're surviving with the cold, and my watermelon, it's already dead. And my lettuce is, they are ready to eat. Most of them I eat them. The one that I plant over here and there and over here. And I have the late plant of broccoli, this one and this one. Oh, I guess there's a little coming up there. And this is the cabbage, my celery, cabbage, and the late broccoli right there. And this is kale. And look at, guys, look at, they got frost with super cold. So they don't look good at this moment. But there's a lot of uh, hot chili there. This is jalapenos, guys. And look at this. So I might harvest this today just to, over here. Oh my gosh. So I don't think they will survive with the, because look at this. It's very crunchy now with the heat. No, not the heat, the cold. And also I still have the zucchini. I might plant pretty soon. I might plant a new zucchini seeds pretty soon. So look at that. They don't look good. Also my okra, they're dying. And my beautiful flowers, they survive. This is my squash, kombucha squash, or whatever you call it. But it's a squash. It's like a pumpkin. So this is seeds. I'm going to transplant this later. And my eggplant started, but uh, it doesn't it doesn't come through because of the cold. This is my garlic. It's growing. Look at this, guys. This is my bottle gourd. Oh, I feel so bad because there's a lot, but they're freezing right. Those little buds right there. There's a lot. I don't think they will uh, develop as a gourd. There's another one. They're dying because of the cold. Look at this. Yes. And this is another garlic. And that one, that's all garlic that I planted. So I still have the lupa or patula in my language, but the leaves are they're dying. The stem. Another lupa, and look at this, guys. They don't look good. That's my patula update or lupa. But this guy, this is my Roman lettuce, and they're really like the cold, so they're growing pretty good. And my celery, they're growing. Celery. This is kale, and that's the cabbage. They don't look like healthy here because they don't get a sun, a sunlight in this area because the screen, I put the screen last year, so that's why. But we'll see. So this one, yeah, my lettuce and some broccoli. There's some like growing. They're very little, guys. A very little broccoli. And of course, look at that, my carrots. They are look pretty healthy. And I have the bok choy, and other side here. There's more bok choy right there, bok choy, and garlic. Also in this side, I still have the lupa or patula right there, but the leaves and the branches of this one, it doesn't look good. Also, I have still the eggplant and another eggplant right here. They need to be trimmed, or maybe I trim them later, or uh, I can plant a new one. And look at this, guys. Over here, I have Anaheim chili. Didn't get froze, so they're good. They were striving. And another uh, cabbage, and cabbage is starting forming now. So yes, guys, that's our update for today with my garden. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, uh, Filipina Simple Life in America. That's my channel. So you can share my video and to your social media or to your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next episode. To all my subscriber, thank you so much. To all my kababayan, maraming salamat po. And stay humble and be confident. God bless. Thank you so much. Bye bye.